Hello, let's see how to use this app in 2 minutes. On the left, you can see a list of your chats. Now let's see what else we have implemented. This bottom displays the options. For example, with tone you can choose if you want the result to be more formal, informal, or in other ways. And you have several options like writing style, text length, etc. Now let's say we want to add a new option. For example, I will add a new role. In the title, we put Marketing Specialist, and this prompt is what you actually send to ChatGPT instead of the title. Here you should put something like this. Act as a creative marketing expert, etc, etc, etc. And now you have a new role to choose. In the context, we will enter all of the relevant information. Example, we will do it about our company, services, our values, our vision. Okay, now with this information, the chat will know what we're talking about and will generate more accurate answers. All the options and contexts we have defined are saved in the current chat, the one we are working on. But we can also save them to a profile to use them in future chats. To create a profile, we need a title. And when we create it, all of the options and context are saved to the created profile. If we make some changes, we can update the profile. You only need to click on Update and then confirm. To use a profile, just click on it. This button is to clear all of the settings in the current chat. It doesn't delete the profile settings. Now, let's see the models. You can choose between the different versions of ChatGPT. Now we are using GPT 3.5. The other versions will be unlocked after the first payment. Finally, I show you how the credit system works. When you register, you receive $1 in credits. This way you see how much you can do with your credits. As you generate text, you will consume credits. For example, this text cost $0.0001. Fair enough, right? You can use all of the ChatGPT models and only pay it for what you use. No monthly subscriptions or hidden costs. When you run out of credits, you will get the chance to purchase more. Whatever you pay will be added as credits. That's it. Remember to leave us your feedback and your ideas.